Hey everyone, so me and Connor will be doing another resin pour today, wearing gloves this time. We're going to be resin pouring one of his characters. It is also a wood cutout that we hand cut from a jigsaw. So we are going to be using these plastic cups to pour our resin in because the last video I decided to use my measuring cup and it completely ruined my cup. So we're going to be using plastic disposable cups, RIP the environment, and then we're going to be using these wooden stir sticks to mix everything up. So we're going to do half a cup of the hardener and half a cup of the resin. So we have equal parts hardener and resin, and so now we're going to pour them into 1 cup and mix for 2 minutes. With the plate.
It's going.
It's going?
Yes. You need to stir it.
So we're going to pour those mixed contents into a new container, and we're going to go ahead and mix that for 1 minute, and then we'll be ready to pour. You can pause the video now. Alright, and now we have a mixed batch of resin, and we are ready to pour. Connor ran inside, and this is his project, so I'm going to just go ahead and slowly do it, because I know he's going to want to do it. Hurry, babe, I want you to do this.
Okay. Well, I was going to say, why don't we just move it over there first? Because I don't know where the extension cord is.
Oh, I'll get it. Here, you just keep pouring, and I will go grab that. And it's all you.
Go ahead and start smearing it.
Well, just get it all poured first. Not enough?
Well, all right, let's start smearing it.
Let me see that cup.
All right, I'm going to start moving it.
All right.
Is that okay?
Let's do your thing, babe. You do what you want to do. I'm just gonna go around the edges and do some detailing.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming. Ooh, it is coming. You don't have to push all of it off, just so you know.
I'm not trying to push all of it off. I have a lot of extra in the middle. I'm trying to get over here. I have a lot in the middle, but that's all right.
Alright, so she is coated in resin, air bubbles are gone, and we tweezed out this little hair. And then we're going to let it cure and dry for 2 days.